Hello and welcome back to your YouTube channel. My name is Kenomolo, and on today's video I want to show you guys 9 different side hustles that you can do in 2022 to get paid. Without wasting too much time, let's get started. At number 1, we have trading. So what is trading for someone who is just learning about this method to make money for the first time? So trading is the activity that lets you earn money on price fluctuation of different assets, such as commodity pairs, currencies, indices, and stocks. If you wanted to start trading in 2022, what would you need and how much should you expect to make in a good month? The first thing that you'll need to have is a demo account. At Unlimited, you can get a free demo account that comes with 10,000 demo units, which you can use to learn how to trade risk-free. After learning how to trade on the demo account, you can make a minimum deposit of $10 to your real account to begin making real money. Any money made on the real account can be withdrawn to either M-Pesa, Skrill, Netella, bank cards, among other payment methods. In case you want to start making money as a trader in 2022, go ahead and click the link on the description of this video to create your trading account. And before we continue to the second side hustle on this list, let's take at least 2 seconds to subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure that you turn on the notification button so that when we do more videos similar to these, you will get notified. The second side hustle idea that you can pick from this list is starting a dropshipping business. So if you compare dropshipping businesses against traditional e-commerce businesses, then you'll notice that dropshipping businesses are far way easier to start than having an e-commerce store. Why? Because 1, you don't have to deal with the inventory. 2, you don't have to deal with clients. 3, you don't have to deal with deliveries, but still at the end of it, you end up making money. So for someone who is new to this dropshipping idea, what is it and how can someone begin making money with this method? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a store does not keep inventory of the items it sells. Instead, it purchases items from third-party suppliers who then ship them directly to clients. Now, the main advantage that you get from doing this kind of business is there is little to no capital that is required to start this kind of business, which means that even with the little amount of money or capital that you have, you can start your dropshipping business in 2022. Some of the best dropshipping businesses to consider partnering with in 2022 for your dropshipping business include Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, you name it. At number 3 for best side hustles to start in 2022 to make money online, we have blogging. So what is blogging? A blog is an informational website where writers share their views on different topics of their choice. As a blogger, you can write about anything from food to fashion to lifestyle to blogging, you name it. Once your blog has grown, you can either make money through affiliate marketing, you can make money by selling ad spaces on the blog, you can make money through AdSense, you can make money by selling membership, and you can also make money by selling digital products on the blog. The 4th and the easiest way to make money on this list is through freelancing. So for someone who has never done freelancing before, what is it and how can you begin doing freelancing to make money in 2022? So freelancing means to work as an independent company other than to be employed by someone else. As a freelancer, you can either make money doing academic writing, doing article writing, doing data entry, doing captioning, doing translation, among other online gigs that require skill. If you love this video this far and you'd like me to continue doing videos that are related to side hustles, go ahead and leave a comment on this video saying side hustles fire. If I get 10 or more comments on this video, I'll continue doing videos that are related to side hustles alongside trading. On to our 5th side hustle ideas to start in 2022 to make money online. And at number 5, we have creating, growing, and selling social media accounts. In case you are wondering which social media platforms I'm talking about Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, Snapchat, you name it. Now, one thing that is common among all these social media platforms is they are free to create, easy to create content for, easy to grow, and you can sell your social media account whenever you want. This makes it an easier business to start considering that there are no costs involved, and as soon as you get followers on that account, you can sell it for a fortune. So in case you are watching this video because you needed to start a side hustle in 2022 without spending so much money, then this might be it. Why not begin creating social media accounts, grow them, and sell them in 2022 to to make money. At number 6, we have creating a YouTube channel. Now, known to many a young account holder on Gmail, you already have a YouTube channel which you can begin using to make money in 2022. So how do you begin making money with YouTube in 2022? Simple. If you want to begin making money with your YouTube channel, then you need to do these 3 things, and these 3 things only: create content, and create more content. This content will give you a following which you can then monetize via the YouTube partnership program. You can monetize via affiliate marketing. You can sell merchandise to them. You can ask them directly for money, among other methods. The 7th easiest way to make money online on our list is through eBooks. So in 2022, if you are still searching for a side hustle to begin making money with, then you should consider writing an ebook and selling it for profits. If you don't know how to write and would still like to use this method to make money online in 2022, go ahead and find someone on Fiverr, on Upwork, on Guru, or on any of those content mailing sites and pay them to write for you. Other than writing ebooks, you can also make money in 2022 by creating a TikTok account and creating content for TikTok. Now, unlike YouTube, TikTok does not pay its creators directly, but you can make money by getting TikTok coins from your followers when they appreciate your work. Other than that, you can also make money through affiliate marketing on TikTok by posting sponsored content, taking endorsement deals, dropshipping, selling courses, among other methods. On to our last side hustle that you can do in 2022 to make money online. Now, this side hustle can pay you so much money. It has paid people thousands of dollars doing it online. And before we mention that, let's take those 2 seconds again and subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already subscribed, click on that subscription button and also make sure that you turn on the notification button so that when we post more videos that are side hustles related, you will get notified. The last side hustle that I'm going to recommend on this list is domain and website flipping. Now, this is as simple as property or asset flipping, where you buy an asset, you buy a property for this value and sell it for an higher value for profits. So now, in this case, you will be doing it with websites and domain names. For those who don't know what a domain name is the address of a website. For example, on YouTube, the domain name is youtube.com. And these things hold value, especially if they are brandable. So what am I saying? I guess whatever I'm trying to say is you can buy a domain name today for 500 shillings and tomorrow you can sell it for 1,000 Kenyan shillings. And that is value. That is how you flip a domain name and make money with it. The same applies to a website. There is no much difference on that. You can buy a website that is considered of less value, grow it, write content for it, do videos for it. And when it is grown, go ahead and list it on flipper.com to make money with it. So as promised, those were 9 different side hustle ideas that you can begin doing in 2022 to make money for yourself. They are both simple to do, easy to find, and they will make you good money. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Turn on the notification button too, so that when we do the next video, you will get notified. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Kenomolo.